Hello guys. So welcome back to our software engineering series. In this video we will explore the unit 3 which covers the requirement analysis, the system design, the coding practices and the software project management. Each of these topics play a vital role in developing the software that meets the user needs and is delivered on time. Each of these topics play a vital role in developing the software that meets the user needs and is delivered on time. So we will break down the each concepts into the simple, relatable terms and provide the examples to help you to understand their importance in the software development process. So let's get started. Okay. First, the requirement analysis and the specification. Requirement analysis is the first step in the software development process, focusing on understanding what the user needs from the software. During this phase, developers gather the information through the interviews, the surveys, and the discussions with the stakeholders. Clear specifications are documented to outline what the software must do, ensuring everyone has the same understanding. This step helps to prevent the misunderstandings later in the project. For example, if a client wants an e-commerce website, the requirement analysis would clarify features like shopping carts, payment options, and user accounts. Proper analysis is crucial for developing or the delivering the software that meets the user expectation and avoid the costly changes in the later. Okay. So now, system design and the coding practices. System design translates the requirement into a blueprint for building the software. This phase involves defining the architecture, the component, the interfaces and the data flow. Designer create the models and the diagrams to visualize how different parts of the software will work together. Once the design is approved, the developers begin coding based on this blueprint. Coding practices like writing clean and maintainable code are essential for the long-term project success. So, using consistent naming conventions, commenting code, and following design patterns help other developers to understand and work with the code easily. A well-designed system leads to better performance and easier maintenance in the future. So now, software project management. Software project management involves planning, executing, and overseeing the software projects to ensure they are completed on time and within the budget. Project manager define the scope, allocate the resources, and set the deadlines. They also monitor the progress, identify the risk, and make the adjustment as needed. Effective communication within the team and with stakeholders is key to successful project management. Tools like the Gantt charts, agile boards helps to visualize the task and the track progress. For example, if a team is developing a mobile app, the project manager would ensure that all team members know their roles and responsibilities, fostering a collaborative environment. Good project management leads to timely delivery and satisfied clients. Okay? So now that conclude our video on requirement analysis, the system design and the coding practices and also the software project management. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone involved in software development as they help to ensure the final product meets user needs and is delivered efficiently. So in our next video, we will dive into the project planning, the estimation and the scheduling. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time.